Hello, so today I'm going to be showing how to install Cheat Engine on Linux because Cheat Engine doesn't really have a native Linux build, and all of the workarounds don't really work with Proton games. Um, Most Steam games just don't work. It'll crash or something like that, or it just won't scan for some reason. So I'm going to be showing how to install that. So you just want to go to this link. It's Proton Hacks on GitHub. You can just search it up, Proton Hacks. And it should be this first one. You're going to want to click on this file, Proton Hacks, and click Download Raw File. You're going to get this text file. Go to your terminal. CD into your downloads. You're going to have this file. And I'm just going to move it and call it Proton Hacks. Proton Hacks. I'm going to rename it to Proton Hacks. Take the text off the end of it. I'm gonna chmod plus x proton hacks, and you can see it's executable now, so we can do /proton hacks to make sure that works. And it does work if you see this. So then we're gonna sudo mv proton hacks /user/bin, enter. It's gonna ask for your password, just type that in. Okay, so now we should be able to run Proton Hacks, and it should work without it being here in the downloads folder. So now we're going to install Cheat Engine with Wine. This is the interesting part. So it lets you run apps through Wine on your Proton installs while you're running the game, which is pretty cool. So it's not just for Cheat Engine, you can use it for other things like running other cheats or menus inside of Proton games. I'm not encouraging you cheat on multiplayer games. This is mainly just for like single player games where you just want to have fun, you know. Let's move on and install Cheat Engine on Linux. So we're just going to type in Cheat Engine. Click the first link, download Cheat Engine. It's going to download the exe. Open your terminal again, do wine Cheat Engine in your downloads folder. It's going to ask you to go to the install, just click OK. Next, make sure you skip all. The ads are not good. It's going to pre-install all of these ads on your computer. Like it's going to install Avast and other apps you don't need. Just click skip all here and it should install. Okay, so now it's going to say thank you for installing Cheat Engine. We don't want to launch it, so check that box and click finish. Now what we're going to do, we're going to open Steam. We're going to go to our game that we want to use it on. This is just an example. I don't play this game very often, so we're going to click the settings, click properties, launch options. We're going to type in Proton Hacks in the %, command %, and then we're just going to start the game. Okay, so this game has some kind of weird error, but it doesn't really matter in my case because I'm not actually going to be modding this. But go into your terminal, type in Proton Hacks ls. This gives you a list of all of the Proton games running with Proton Hacks. If you don't see it here, you probably didn't do the startup command right. So copy this ID. This is this game because it's the only one I have running. So we're going to do Proton Hacks, CMD, and then paste that in right there. And it looks like it must be an issue with this game. Okay, so I did it with another game. This is Among Us, as you can see. I'm not actually going to mod this, and I don't recommend you do either, but anyways, from here you want to do cd to get out of your downloads directory. If it's not in the downloads directory, then don't do cd. You just want to make sure in your home / your username folder do cd.wine / drive _c / program files / cheat engine, and you should be in the cheat engine directory. Do the quotation marks /cheat engine. Make sure there's a space there, and then closing parentheses, and just do enter. It should open the cheat engine window. And as you can see in the process list, it's right here at the top. Select it, and you can type in your values, and you should have no issues modding the game now. Anyways, yeah,